Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Sit down. So today we are going to start a new chapter which is named as fraction. So what is mean by fraction? क्या होता है fraction? मतलब कोई idea? Anyone? Anyone what do you mean by fraction? Yes.
A part of the region or whole.
A part of a region or a whole. A sort of correct. A part of a region or a whole. Fraction can be defined as the numbers. Fraction can be defined as the numbers which signifies a part of a whole object or a group of object. ये ऐसे numbers होते हैं जो किसी के पार्ट्स को सिग्निफाई करते हैं. किसके पार्ट्स को? या तो सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट हो या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो. सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट हो या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स हो. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी आर हैविंग अ पिज़्ज़ा. कौन सा पिज़्ज़ा? चीज बर्स्ट. Okay, we are taking a cheese burst pizza with 8 slices, large pizza. We are having a large pizza. Okay. So this signifies a whole object, single object. It's a single object, no?
Yes, sir.
It is having how many pieces? 8. Let us assume Sikandar stood up and ate 3 of them. सिकंदर खड़ा हुआ, उसने 3 slices pizza की खा ली. So if I want to signify this part by using numbers, I can signify it as 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. मैं इसको 3 by 8 से signify कर सकता हूँ. 3 pieces वो जो सिकंदर ने खा लिए और 8 pieces क्या है? Total number of pieces which I was having 8 ना. So the pieces which was eaten by Sikandar will be named as numerator. इसे क्या बोलेंगे हम? Numerator. And the total number of pieces will be named as denominator. It will be named as denominator. And this line will be named as which line? Division line. Which line? Division line. So this is a proper fraction. This is fraction. The number which is written above the division line is known as numerator, and the number which is written below the division line is known as denominator. Now this was the case of a whole object. ये किसका केस था? Whole object. अब now I'm having group of objects. Group of objects. Here we are having some candies. मेरे पास कुछ कैंडीज है. कितने कैंडीज है? काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. कितनी कैंडीज हैं? 7. If यथार्थ stood up and ate 4 of them. कितनी खाली इसने? 4 कैंडीज खड़े होकर खाली इसने अकेले बिना प्रज्ञा को दिए ना. Now how many candies I am left with? 3. कितनी कैंडीज बची मेरे पास? 3. खाई तुमने कितनी? 4. So I am going to portray them, or how I am going to represent them. I am representing them as 4 upon 7. This is the candies which were eaten by Yatharth, and this is the total number of candies. So 4 will be our numerator and 7 will be our denominator. Clear? Now this was the basic explanation of what do we mean by fraction.